Hello. We quite often get a question how big meshes we can bring in Solidworks. With mesh to surface, we can pick a large meshes. The question is, what is a large mesh? There are two aspects of this question. One is the size. For example, this is a full-size car, and the other one is the number of triangles. With mesh to surface for Solidworks, you can easily bring in the size of 65 million triangles, and you can see the extent. It's a full-size car. The question in the modern graphics is not only how you can render. You can see I can just place it in different views. I can place the object into the different locations, but more importantly is what actually I can do if I have this data set. So for example, in this case I may want just to get a cross-section here, and this is where actually the power of our tools come, because I can just easily create a cross-section here and will create my reference plane, and I can just start using a standard Solidworks tools. For example, I want to draw a sketch here. I will flip the view. You can see our mesh is rendered without any problem, and here on top I can just make an additional design, not only on the scan data itself, but for example I may want to create protection here, and I can just press OK here, doing just the native Solidworks features. I can just create this shape here in front of the car. So why I'm showing you all this is just to see how flexible your environment can be together with the scan data, and you can create your designs directly in Solidworks using our mesh to surface plugin. Thank you for watching.